Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Sandusky Chiropractor, Dr. Steve Prentice, and today is the third video in our series on children and chiropractic. Now last time we talked about the big picture as to why you would want to bring your kids to the chiropractor from birth on up to get them checked and to make sure that they do not have subluxations interfering with their nervous system or their health. Well, today I want to talk about a specific condition, and that is ear infections. Now, ear infections I want to talk about because this is the most common reason why kids will present to the chiropractor as well as to the pediatrician for that matter. Now, ear infections are important because that is the #1 reason why kids are exposed to antibiotics for the first time and on a repeated basis. That's also one of the main reasons why they're exposed to more invasive treatments. It's because of these recurring ear infections. Now, it's important to realize that chiropractic is not a treatment for ear infections. It's not in treatment for any infectious disease for that matter. So that's one of the miscommunications that sometimes gets in the way between chiropractors and pediatricians, let's say, is because sometimes people don't understand that we're not in the business of treating ear infections. I don't have a special ear infection adjustment per se. Where chiropractic fits in is because the most common reason why kids will start to develop recurring ear infections is because their eustachian tubes do not clear. Now, it's normal for fluid production to happen, but the eustachian tubes allow drainage to occur so that this fluid does not build up in the head, neck, and ears, and therefore, as the fluid drains, there's no problem. If fluid builds up in the ear and does not drain, that's a recipe for an infection. So a lot of times the reason why kids get these recurring infections is because they don't drain well. And so where chiropractic fits in is if we can adjust the spine, if there's any subluxations present, interfering with the flow of nerve flow as well as the drainage system of the head and neck, if we can restore that properly, then the child's tubes will flow, they will drain properly, and a lot of these infections just don't come back. And so that's why you want to make sure if your child is getting recurrent ear infections that you want to get them checked by the chiropractor, because sometimes this is so easy to do and so easy to restore that it's just a no-brainer. So I want to encourage you to do that so we can prevent these children from being exposed to antibiotics unnecessarily. If you have any questions about ear infections or chiropractic for children in general, feel free to contact us on our webpage or give us a call. The phone number is on the screen here, and we would be happy to answer any questions you might have. So again, thank you for joining us for this third video. Next time we'll talk about some more conditions that commonly are seen in the chiropractic office with children. And until then, have a good day. I will see you then.